Junior Achievement has been preparing students for the workplace for more than 50 years. Recently, our local business partners expressed the difficulty they've had in attracting and retaining skilled labor. At the same time, our partners in education have made us aware of the lack of knowledge that students have about careers that do not require a 4-year post-secondary degree. Junior Achievement stepped in to meet this need by providing students with hands-on demonstrations of skills that employers are seeking in the workforce. The Junior Achievement Advanced Manufacturing Expo is one of many career exploration programs that JA uses to help develop the pool of work-ready employees that our community needs.
This particular project is really important, I think, for the Quad Cities. And so things like the Expo are going to help us really create the workforce that we're going to need in the future as we go forward. I really hope today these students learn a little bit more about what the value is of the education they're going through in high school, how it relates to a career they may be looking forward to, and why the things that they're learning in high school actually have application to the types of skills that they would be learning in some of these advanced manufacturing careers.
Well, we have the Junior Achievement students coming in. They're trying to get a feel for the manufacturing world and local industry, and they get to ask some of those questions about, well, this is what I'm doing now, but if I stay in this particular field, how is that going to give me an advantage for employment, for education, or even maybe a foot up on some of the other students who don't have some of those opportunities. Nationwide, we have a real need for, especially the mechanical engineering and the manufacturing people. A lot of that stuff is getting shipped overseas just because we don't have the people locally or nationally even who are capable of doing it. So there is a lot of demand for that. We're just trying to get them kind of in touch with real world experiences as far as true industry.
Well, the reason I brought my students today is because I've had the involvement with the JA High School Trades Career Expo for the last 2 years, and the students really enjoyed being able to get hands-on experience in one place rather than having 15 or 16 different trades come into the school.
I came here today to learn about the different career possibilities in the different manufacturing fields available to us. I saw a manufacturing engineer class that allowed us to see how you design products on the computer. The logistics session showed us how people get things to different places and all of the steps necessary just to make something as simple as a pizza. Well, I've definitely gained some valuable information that is going to help me decide on maybe some careers that I will be interested in the future.
We need to have kids get out and see how much this trade has changed. When I was a kid, this was a dirty, back-breaking, greasy job. Nowadays, it's more important that you have good math skills, good computer skills, than just having a strong back and be willing to work with your hands.
Well, we've been learning about all kinds of different things, like the different career opportunities and stuff like that, like welding, drafting and design, solar panel, and different types of electricity and stuff like that. Some of the hands-on stuff we got to do today, a virtual welding machine, that was pretty cool. I like that a lot. First time I ever welded, but it was pretty fun. And then we got to watch biodiesel be made.
Being here, the instructors have really helped the students understand that math is a key component of everything that they do. It doesn't matter if they're doing the drafting unit or if they're doing the welding or the CNC. That math is a very strong component.
I experienced a bunch of cool stuff. It's like welding and mechanical drawing and stuff that you can do. It's opened my understanding to what colleges I want to go to.
Right now the demands are very high. I have local manufacturers that come direct to us. They bypass job services, they bypass our placement office, and they come on a weekly basis. I have people who come and say, do you have anybody that's ready? We need people that can step in and do the job right now.
I think that opportunities like this is important to students because in today's society there's very limited job market, and if we can decide what we want to do before we are necessarily forced into that job market, we'll have better training and better decision-making skills that will help us be more decisive and possibly towards schooling and help us be more focused toward what we want to do.
The Advanced Manufacturing Expo has positively impacted the students who attended. Of the students with little interest in advanced manufacturing before the Expo, 20% walked away saying that they now plan to pursue a career in this field. Of the students who were already interested in advanced manufacturing, 62% said the Expo gave them the information that they need to take the next steps in pursuing a career in this area. It's through experiences like this that JA is helping develop the skilled employees that we need to keep our community strong in a competitive global economy.